Okay. All right, we are live once again. This might be our last one for the day. We're running out of energy here, but we're with the Blockchain Institute.
Yes.
So it's Hannah.
Hannah Rosenberg. Yeah, I work with the Blockchain Institute.
And what exactly is the Blockchain Institute?
We are a 501c3 nonprofit based out of Chicago, and we teach blockchain. So we teach all kinds of different blockchain tech, from Bitcoin to Ethereum to privacy tech like Monero, Web 3.0, all of that stuff.
Which blockchains in particular are you guys most focused on?
I write a lot of the stuff for Bitcoin. And one of the founders of the Blockchain Institute was also a co-founder of the Ethereum Foundation. So he does a lot of the Ethereum curriculum. And then we're working on try and bring some guests in to write courses for us as well. And so we have some privacy stuff in the works. So we're hoping we'll be out in a couple months. That'd be cool.
Very nice. Are you guys working with anybody in the Monero community?
Not directly at the moment. Yeah, but we're working with some other people. I mean, it's not affiliate, so we're not telling anyone, but working with other people who work on similar sort of privacy tech. And then we have lots of resources for specific privacy technology. So encryption, ZK snarks, ring signatures, all that different kind of stuff. Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, you should definitely, if you haven't, or you should reach out to some of the core guys and some of the people in Monero. It's a very welcoming community. I think you'll find they'd be very willing to share whatever information they have to help spread the good word and teach people.
That's definitely in the plans too. And we had, so I also am one of the organizers for the Bitcoin Open Blockchain Meetup in Chicago. And we had Sarang Noether from the Monero Research Lab come out a couple months ago and do a workshop for us. And that was really awesome. We got video of that. So yeah, people from the Monero community have been really awesome and really sharing with resources. It's been good.
So how long have you been in the crypto world?
Fell in love in 2012. Yeah, so a while.
Okay, so obviously you started with Bitcoin.
Yes.
So now that you're teaching about various blockchains, are you a Bitcoin maximalist, or are you chain agnostic?
Well, the Blockchain Institute is chain agnostic, right? We teach all kinds of blockchain tech. Me personally, I don't use the term maximalist because that's too much crap associated with that. But I would say Bitcoin's definitely still my favorite. Yeah.
So why not just teach about Bitcoin?
Because it's not just my show.
Okay. Fair enough. And where do you see this going? How big are you guys trying to make this? What's kind of the goal with the company here?
In my head, since I got into the crypto world, there was never a place to go to get really quality information. It's all very scattered. There's a really good resource here, a really good one there. And I would love for the Institute to be the place you can go to start. So when we hit the next bull run, and everyone goes crazy and your friends and family are emailing you and saying, what is this thing? You can just say, go to this website, and that will have all kinds of resources for them. So that's the goal in my head at the moment.
And what is a typical class or semester like?
So we have 6 courses available right now up on the website, and that ranges from, Blockchain 101 to Bitcoin for developers. We cover some decentralized file storage, security, stuff like that. And then we have a whole nother set of courses coming, another 3 or 4 in the next couple of months. And then once we get into our new building, we're doing sort of blockchain boot camps, in-person courses, which will be primarily Bitcoin and Ethereum.
All right. Very nice. Yeah. If you could add Monero, that would be much appreciated.
I would love to. I'm a big fan of Monero. Yeah.
All right. Anything else you want to talk about?
Just the blockchaininstitute.org. We have a really awesome new resource page up. It's just the blockchaininstitute.org/resources. Lots of stuff on Monero on there.
Have you been at a lot of conferences?
Not as many as I'd like to. So
I was just curious. This is my first conference. I was wondering if you had anything to compare to in terms of where this conference lies among others.
Yeah, no, this one's really awesome. Just the quality of people, the lineup, the conversation that you can have with people here. It's really top notch. It's a very good one. Yeah.
Very cool. Thank you for coming on.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, thanks. There we go.
Cool.